Hello guys, this is Forum and welcome to FMA makeup tutorials. This video I am going to show you no makeup look without a foundation. If you're just a student or you want to visit your library and you don't want to look that makeup, then this is a beautiful one for you. So keep on watching you guys. I'll start with a beautiful baby lotion from Johnson's, and I'll be just dabbing it all over my face to get an amazing moisture on my face without leaving it too tacky. And Vaseline petroleum jelly goes on my lips to moisturize them and get a lovely texture for a nice lip gloss. I have 3 primers to choose from, and I'm choosing this base Perfector from Sheer Cover and applying it only on my nose area where I have some pores and I want to hide them all, and I don't want to look that flaky when I apply my concealer. NC35 Studio Fix Concealer from MAC goes right only where my dark circles are. This will give me a healthy finish on my skin, and I'm just using the excess product which is left on the brush to cover up a little bit darkness next to my nose and a little bit on my chin area. So to make it even, I'm just using a beauty blender and dabbing it all over. And NC40 from Studio Fix MAC goes right on top of it just to settle down all what I have made up. This is how it looks, and I'm just darkening up my eyebrows naturally. I'm using MAC brown matte color to just fill up a little bit of my eyebrows, only the gap. I'm not shaping it up too much, leaving it as natural as possible. And yes, I'll just apply a very heavy coat of mascara so that it gives me nice opened eyes and it looks fresh as possible. And I'm not going for any kind of eyeshadows or any kind of eyeliners or anything, just a heavy coat of mascara, and you now see the difference. And another coat of mascara from the heavy wand from MAC Hot and Naughty goes again over my eyelashes to give it a more heavier coat, and you see how it looks, fluttering lashes. I love them, and I'm just trying to make it a little more perfect. And the eye pencil from Essence I'm using just to tight line my upper lash line. I'm not using even on the lower lash line, so there's like no makeup. And this is the Essence lip pencil which I am just running through my lip, and that's the only thing which I'm giving a color. And over this I'm using a small MAC lip gloss in a very nude shade. So this is my lips, and I am now going to some cheeks. This is completely avoidable step. I am just using an orange lipstick from Isadora to give it a little fleshy color on my cheeks. That's it guys. And if you get a call after this that you have a party to attend and you don't have time to get ready, oh my god, quick solution, watch my part 2 to see how to get ready in 10 minutes. Bye.